breadsticks in the tree. Somebody's winter food. It's this kind of day. My friend Paul from New York is riding up today, 10 November 2018. It snowed last night. Been raining ever since. It's windy too. But he's a champ. He's going for it. He's almost here. We just lost power, so I'm gonna go down the road and see if there's any trees down. Make sure Paul and Kat can get in here. It's gotta be cold and wet by now. Here we go. You made it. That's impressive.
My feet are cold.
It's impressive, baby. I bet. Let's go warm you up. It's snowing. He got here just in time. Does it look better? New York City yesterday. Brr. The heat feels wonderful. Thank you, Jake. That was a nice install. So today's task for me, Veterans Day 2018, is clearing off this bench and wall above the bench, and the shelf below the bench, and the floor space below that. That will be where my tools are going to go.